the 8th Korean Conversation series. Let's learn Korean through the series of drama.
Part 1. You're the same as another man.
너도 다른 남자와 똑같아.
This drama consists of 10 episodes, and the next episode will be produced every week.
The cast of Part 1 friend or lover is as follows.
수진, 이영,
민기,
언니다. 먼저 갈게요.
그래, 잘 가.
누구야?
학과 후배.
근데 내가 오니까 왜 가?
나도 잘 몰라.
너도 다른 남자랑 똑같아. 나한테 전화하지 마.
수진아, 왜 그래?
Did you enjoy it? Please read the script and check it out.
언니다. 먼저 갈게요.
Oh, sister, I'll go first.
그래, 잘 가.
Yes, bye.
누구야?
Who is it?
학과 후배.
A junior in the department.
근데 내가 오니까 왜 가?
By the way, when I came, why is she going?
나도 잘 몰라.
I don't know either.
너도 다른 남자랑 똑같아.
You are just like any other man.
전화하지 마.
Don't call me.
수진아, 왜 그래?
Why are you like this? Or what's wrong? Let's look at important expressions. How to make an indefinite sentence in Korean and two expressions. First, if
다,
is subtracted from the basic form of Korean verbs, and ma is attached, it means negation.
전화하다, 전화하지 마.
Second, let's learn how to express same or just like in Korean.
같다, 똑같다. 너는 나랑 똑같다. 랑,
It was used similarly to English as third.
근데, 그런데,
It is the difference between spoken and written language.
근데 너 왜 가?
Thank you for watching.
감사합니다.
See you next time.